Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Life Journey USA Nevada, and today's video I'm gonna show you what's inside my fridge. And before that, let's watch the intro. So guys, hi, this is Life Journey USA Nevada. So today's video, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung anong laman ng freezer at fridge namin. So, let's go guys, let's start. So, we're gonna start here in the small freezer that we have, and let's open it. What's inside? And that's the inside of the freezer, guys. It's all bread. Lahat ay bread. And then we also have ice cube there. Pag lumalakad kami papuntang California, yan yung nilalagay namin sa beer. So let's go to the freezer meat, guys. Let's go. So guys, welcome to the freezer meat. So let's open it. Let's find out what's inside. So guys, yan po yung laman ng freezer namin. Ayan. So in the first shelf, guys, we have all pork meat. We have ribs, we have pork stick, and we also have pizza here, frozen pizza, and chicken pot pie. We have bacon there. That's all pork, and this side, that's frozen food. And the second shelf, guys, we have ground beef for the burger and making lasagna spaghetti. And we also have chicken here. May chicken kami dyan. And this is also a beef meat. And those are chicken breasts. Kita nyo ba, guys? Those are chicken breasts. And then I have this turkey, guys. That's a turkey. Lulutuin ko yan ngayong birthday ko soon. And then magbablog ako sa kung paano lulutuin yan. And then I have whole chicken here. And then the bottom shelf, guys, those are all seafoods. We have shrimp, and then we also have fish. For my next mukbang, I'm gonna use this fish for next mukbang. And I also have salmons. Salmons. There's imitation crab meat, and then there's also salmon, skillet salmon na yun siya, so wala na siyang balat. And we also have another bag of shrimp there. Ito yung shrimp na ginagamit ko nung nagmukbang ako. If you want to see that video, guys, just go to my channel and watch that mukbang chat with my daughter. And this is the one. This is also we use it when we had mukbang vlog. Okay, so yan yung freezer, meat freezer, guys. Those are pork. One more time. These are beef and chicken, turkey and chicken. And down below, that's seafoods. And let's go to the freezer door. So in the freezer door, guys, usually in the freezer door, dun ko nilalagay yung mga old meat. Pag nag-grocery kami, siniseparate ko yan, old meat from sa new. So ito siya, guys. Halos chicken yung old meat na namin. So I have to use all of those before I can use those. Yun yung ano ko pag nagluluto. Because I make sure I use the old meat first before I touch the new one. So, here's the chicken leg. We also have here sausage and hot dog. And here's ground chicken. This is chicken breast. I use this one for the making Japanese food. And then chicken leg. Next time when I'm gonna do mukbang, I'm gonna have all chicken food, fried chicken. And then also here chicken leg. Also here, this is shrimp. And this is smoked salmon. We use it for fish. No, we use it for sandwiches. I'm sorry about that, using for fish. Isda na nga, ginagamit pa sa fish. Yan. And this is also imitation crab meat here. So, yan yung nasa door ng freezer namin, guys. That. And then, what's that one? And then, let's go to the next fridge, guys. It's a fridge and freezer. So, let's proceed to, guys. So, close na natin to. Let's close this one. And we're gonna go for that one. In this house, guys, we have 3 freezer. So, this fridge, guys, this is the beer. Those are the beer of my husband. Yan yung beer ng husband ko. This will, ang fridge na to is for beverages. So, yung halos maiinom. And then, beer ko yan. And that's gravy, guys. I made that gravy. I made that one. So, I preserved that one for the mashed potato. Masarap kasi yung mashed potato pag may gravy. So, ako lang gumawa niyan. And then, this one also, beans pickles. Ako lang din po gumawa niyan. Yung beans na yan is from my garden. And then, I have cucumber pickles here. Binili namin yan. And blueberries. I always eat this one, guys, for my kidneys. And then, we also have different juices here. That's for the extra or yung ano namin. Kasi gusto namin yung nagsa-stock kami. So hindi kami laging pumupunta ng grocery. So, cran pomegranate juice ng asawa ko. Cranberry juice ko yan. And orange juice for my daughter. And we also for Sprite there, soda. And first chiller, ito yung tomato from my garden. And then squash from my garden too. And the second chiller, I have here the canned tomato. Here, ito yung ginawa ko, guys, and I have vlog for this canning tomato on how to make it or what's the process. So if you want to watch that video, guys, you can just go to my channel and watch how I make this one. And this one also, I made this one, but hindi ko na vlog yung pag ano ko dito, paggawa ko ng beans pickles, guys. And I can assure you, guys, this is really good. Well, not because kasi ako yung gumawa, but really, it's really good. I think I make it right. So, that's it for the second chiller, guys, for this fridge. And in the door, we have cold water, butter, ito, and then guacamole for chips. And my creamer. Ito yung creamer na ginagamit ko. And then, for chips, dips, hot sauce, for salad, for chip dips also, for salsa. And we have champagne here. Hindi talaga kami nauubusan ng champagne kasi every may occasion na special, we have champagne. So, that's for this fridge, guys. And guys, let's open the freezer in this fridge. So guys, we have bread there, popsicle, and cinnamon roll. We don't that much in that freezer, but then I'll show you guys in the freezer and the fridge in the kitchen. Okay, let's go, guys. So guys, we're in the kitchen right now. I'm gonna show you our fridge here in the kitchen. That's in my back. You can see that. So let's find out what's inside of that fridge. So guys, that's our fridge here in the kitchen. Because the one that I showed you earlier, yun yung fridge namin doon sa walkway. Doon namin nilalagay yung mga meat. But this fridge is usually yun yung laging ginagamit namin every day. So in the outside the fridge, guys, we have water for this like, what do you call that, machine maybe, and crushed ice cube, quick ice. If you want to lock this one, you can lock. Door alarm, there's a light, and reset water filter. So that's outside the fridge, guys. It's a two-door fridge. That's a freezer, and that's the fridge. So in this, let's open it, guys. What's inside? Let's find out. Okay, on the first shelf, on the top shelf, we have different juices there. We have this one, like I said, this is my juice, and that one is for margarita. You just add tequila, that. And we have Crescent. This for, we're going to cook that one for breakfast tomorrow. So I took it out from freezer and put it there. And this is the milk. And we have orange juice. And we also have open 7-Up here. And also that's a ready drink margarita. And behind that ready drink margarita is the juice of my husband, cran pomegranate. Okay, and that's in the first shelf or the top shelf. And the second shelf is, I have mushroom here. It's open. I need to cover that because I cooked yesterday a beef pot and I put mushroom. And we have hot dogs. This is we cook for lunches. Put in the sandwich. And I also have here ham, meat. This is for making sandwich also. And then I also have, this is the strawberry pie that I made. That's one of my husband's favorite, so lagi ko siyang nilulutuan yan. So pag next time pag magluluto ako nito, guys, I'm gonna vlog it and show you how to make this one. And I also have a ground meat there because we're planning to have hamburger for tonight. So I defrost it. I put it in the Tupperware, that one, and then in those Tupperware, this one is, that's the leftover. And then I have a piece of cake. I also baked that one. And then that one, it's a tomato paste. Kasi hindi ko siya naubos, so nilagay ko sa Tupperware. And then in the third shelf, I have eggs. Kasi guys, pag nag-grocery kami, talagang stuck kami for 1 month or 1 month and a half. Ayaw namin yung pabalik-balik. So, why not stock is we have enough fridge to put on the stock. So, why not? So, this is a sourdough bread. Sourdough bread, guys, is really good for making garlic bread. So, and this is the burger bun bread. That's already open, and we have another trees of egg there, and then that's a used bread there. Then, so that's in the first shelf, second, and that's the third, and the fourth. So let's proceed to the first chiller. So here's our first chiller, guys. We have different kind of cheese. This is for sandwiches cheese, and I have a mozzarella cheese here. This is when I use for balsamel meatballs. Next time, guys, pag magluluto ako ng balsamel meatballs, ipapakita ko sa inyo on how to prepare it from the beginning until it's cooked. And then this mixed cheese, this is the one I use for making lasagna. I don't use the Parmesan because I don't like the smell of Parmesan. But instead of using Parmesan, I use this kind of cheese. It's better taste for me, but I don't know the other people. And I also have here the square cheese, white cheese. And I also have here, this is a sausage for breakfast. So it's already open, so I put it in the Ziplocs. And then, oh, may madumi. And then, guys, on the second chiller is I have spring roll wrappers, because gumagawa ako dito ng lumpia, Filipino food. And next time gagawa ako ng homemade sweet chili sauce. Ipapakita ko sa inyo on how to make sweet chili sauce, homemade chili sauce. And then this one is creamy cheese for the biscuit, for the bread. And this one, ito yung ginagamit ko pag nag-ano ko ng frosting. Ito yung ginagamit ko. And then I have here the lemon. I bought lemon kasi I'm planning to make lemon meringue pie for my husband, one of his favorite. I have spaghetti sauce here, Filipino style. You know, I'm Filipina, so sometimes naghahanap ako ng Filipino food. So whenever I like craving for Filipino food, I can cook it anytime. So yan yung second chiller natin, guys. And the third one is we have different kind of vegetable. I have carrots. I have grated carrots. And I also have, that's a lemongrass, spring onion. So close it. I also have onion here. I also have a bell pepper. That bell pepper is from my garden. So let's close that one, guys. So that's in my fridge in the kitchen. Throw you around one more. So, and behind that one, guys, yan siya. Yung blue yung cover is cream yan. So yan siya, guys. That one, that's in my shelf of this fridge. And now let's go to the door of my fridge. So in these doors, the top shelf is I have butter, I also have ready frosting. That's for like yung nagmamadali kami gumawa ng cake and then we need frosting. So that's for just emergency frosting. But usually, I make my own frosting. And then, in the second shelf of this door, we have mayonnaise. We also have chocolate syrup and strawberry jam, mustard. This is for ranch. This is for salads, or you can dip your chips in this. And then I have tomato ketchup and salad dressing, Thousand Island. And the third shelf is, I have different sauces here, guys. Mahilig kasi talaga ako magluto, especially Japanese and Chinese food. Mahilig ako magluto. I have tahini. This is for Arabic dip. And then, Mang Tomas. Ito yung A1. Ito yung nilalagay namin sa burger. And this is lime. This lemon juice. Ito yung ginagamit namin for margarita. Kasi when you make margarita, you need to put a drop of lemon para mas masarap yung margarita. And then on the fourth shelf of this door, fridge door, we have different pickles. We have hamburger dill. This one is the cucumber pickles. We have a cocktail dill here. It's a small cucumber pickles, yung maliliit. Yan. This pickles, guys, gawa to ng sister-in-law ko. This is really so good. Ito siya lang yung gumawa and it's from her garden. And also have sweet banana here. Yan. Kinakain ko lang yan. Ano bang tawag nun? Ngunguyain ko lang yan. And we have olives here. Isang klaseng olives pa. And then, on the bottom one, this is guacamole, extra A1 sauce. This is hoisin sauce. This is good for making Japanese food and Chinese food. Ito yung magandang sauce. And open white wine. Yan siya, guys. May white wine. That's a white wine. And that's a red wine. White wine, guys, is ginagamit ko siya sa pagluluto ng teriyaki. Kasi if you add some things wine in your teriyaki sauce, sobrang namnam yung sarap niya. So, that's in my door fridge, guys. Yan. Door ko kayo one more. Yan. Yan. So, let's proceed to the freezer of this fridge, guys. Okay. Close na natin to. And, let's proceed to the freezer. Welcome to my freezer. So, in the first shelf, guys, we have different kind of sausages. This is for the dinner sausage. This is for the breakfast sausage. Yung maliliit siya. And then, may hotdog din dito. Okay. Yan siya. And then, we have, this is a homemade bread, guys. Ako din ang gumawa niyan. Once nagagawa ko ng bread, mag-vlog ako on how to make a homemade bread. And chicken pot pie, ice cream, paubos na. Ito yung para sa mini cooler namin. And then, on the third shelf, we have ground meat, pork, and Okay, our pork and beef out there. That one. And sandwich meat. And then also here, guys, I have hash brown for breakfast. This is all potatoes here. This is a French fries, and this is potato toast. So yun guys. And then in the bottom shelf is we have mixed vegetable, frozen mixed vegetable, and those are the vegetable that I cut and I put it in the freezer so that I can use, so that it will not get rotten inside the fridge. And then those are the mixed vegetable I use for the fried rice. It's the carrots. This is a squash. And this is a bell pepper. Frozen bell pepper. So yun siya guys. Yung freezer namin dito sa kitchen. So here. Yun yung laman. And guys. And this one here in the freezer door, I have this baking stuff here. Baking powder, baking soda, and yes, for making bread. And then that's a crescent there. So that's it for that. I'm gonna tour you one more time on all the fridge. Bottom shelf, second from the bottom, third from the bottom, fourth from the bottom, then the top shelf. So let's go to the next one. Tour you quickly there. The freezer. So guys, that's all for the vlog for today, and thank you for watching. If you like, give me thumbs ups, and if you're new here, please subscribe to my channels and click the notification below for my next vlog. Thank you. Bye. God bless.